attacks already. Cyber denial of services attack we have already discussed. Sniffing. What is sniffing, by the way? It is similar to eavesdropping on someone. It occurs when the attacker examines all the network traffic and passing through the NIC. NIC means network interface card, independent of the whether or not the traffic is addressed to them. Criminal accomplish the network sniffing with a software application, hardware device, or a combination of two. So they can use some kind of software or hardware devices to sniff a packet from the network and then open it and see all the information inside. Sniffing tools are used actually for the troubleshooting reason. Okay, so basically if you want to troubleshoot any particular problem inside your network, you can run that and it can tell you that, okay, maybe the sync packet is not going, or the sync acknowledgement is not coming, or the certificate is broken, or the the ARP request is going but not coming back, ICMP is going but not coming back, something like that. So it's giving you the underlying problem.
Yeah, it's like Wireshark.
Yeah, one file. So mostly companies use Wireshark or maybe other sniffing tool to gather the information. Spoofing is also, we have already discussed about spoofing. Man in the middle attack, we already discussed yesterday. Key zero-day attacks was also discussed. Key logging.
Yeah, the key loggers.
Yeah. So keylogger means that the same software program that record the logs of the keystroke used by the system. Okay. Yeah, this is the programs we already discussed. Keylogger. Cross-type scripting is already discussed. SQL injection, code injection. One way to store data on the website is use the database. Remember, like if the company like eBay, email system, or ISP, those are actually saving your username or database. PayPal, for example, they also have a database. So database, mostly company use SQL, which is a language, structured query language is database. Okay, so what they do is they can exploit the weakness, use the database. There are several different types of databases like structured database, XML database. Both XML can exploit weakness in the program, such as not validating the database query properly. Okay, so they just display the information. They may not verify the query properly, and you can launch an attack using the SQL. Recently, I think TalkTalk was suffered this attack as well. Application level of attack, remote code execution. Vulnerability allow a cyber criminals to execute malicious code and take control of the system by using the privileged user running the remote code execution. Allow a criminal to execute any remote control. Yeah, that's fine. Active S control in Java. These are quite commonly used on the website actually, and mostly companies block them because they can pose some kind of weakness inside the system. Okay, so that was related to vulnerability. Okay.